important things I own is my smartphone, a blue Redmi 10A. I bought it about 2 years ago using money I had saved up myself, which made it the first phone that truly belonged to me. I have been using this phone for the years, and although it's not the most expensive model, it plays a very important role in my daily life. I use it learning, connecting with my friends and family, watching videos, and access social media. This bond is this bond is important to me not only because of this practical, but also because it represents my hard work and independence. That's why I take good care of it and value it so much. Thank you.